This video is about gluteal region. The muscles in the gluteal region are gluteus maximus, gluteus minimus, medius, piriformis, gemellus superior, gemellus inferior, obturator internus, quadratus femoris, obturator externus, tensor fascia lata. Gluteus maximus. It originates from the outer slope of the dorsal segment of iliac crest and dorsal surface of the lower part of the sacrum, side of the coccyx, and it gets inserted into the gluteal tuberosity and iliac tubeal tract. Gluteus medius, which originates from the gluteal surface of the ilium, and it gets inserted into the lateral surface of the greater trochanter of the femur. Gluteus minimus, which originates from the gluteal surface of the ilium, and it gets inserted into the greater trochanter of the femur or the ridge on its anterior surface. Piriformis originates from the upper margin of the greater sciatic notch, and it gets inserted into the apex of the greater trochanter of the femur. Gemellus superior originates from the upper part of the lesser sciatic notch, and it gets inserted into the medial surface of the greater trochanter of femur. Gemellus inferior, it originates from the lower part of the lesser sciatic notch and gets inserted into the medial surface of the greater trochanter of the femur. Obturator internus, which originates from the pelvic surface of the obturator membrane, and it gets inserted into the medial surface of the greater trochanter of femur. Quadratus femoris originates from the outer border of the ischial tuberosity, and it gets inserted into the quadrate tubercle. Obturator externus originates from the outer surface of the obturator membrane, and it gets inserted into the trochanteric fossa. Tensor fascia lata, which originates from the outer limb of the iliac crest and gets inserted into iliotibial tract. Nerve supply of the gemellus maximus is inferior gluteal nerve, and the action of this gemellus maximus, gluteus maximus, is it is the chief extension of the hip joint and helps in the abduction. Gluteal medius and the gluteus minimus is supplied by the superior gluteal nerve, and action it helps in the abduction of the thigh. Piriformis has ventral rami of S1, S2 nerve supply. Gemellus superior, gemellus inferior, obturator internus, obturator externus, and quadratus femoris have nerve supply to the obturator internus, and action it helps in the lateral rotation of the thigh. Tensor fascia lata, nerve supply, superior gluteal nerve, and helps in the abduction and medial rotator of the thigh.